The RS-05 robot system, the solution for small components and pallets. It grips small and large parts of all geometries and comes with flexible clamping, thereby enabling complete six-sided machining. The RS-05 is able to change the fingers of its gripper independently for unprecedented variability. Workpieces of all geometries from 5 mm or 0.2 inches to 124 mm or 4.9 inches can now be handled. To make this variability possible in the clamping device as well, the vise has interchangeable jaws, super flexible, super solid clamping. Our universal dies are just as flexible. Another advantage is the compact installation area of 2 square meters, or just above 21 square feet. The function that many customers have been asking for: complete six-sided machining. Optimal for single pieces, but also for sequentially manufactured small series. For intuitive operation, the shapes of the fingers and jaws are linked with the workpiece by means of the software. If a workpiece is shifted in the production plan, the fingers and jaws are adjusted automatically. With the RS-05, the machining center spindles can continue running after employees have gone home for the day. The RS-05 robot system. Invest in tomorrow. Step up to HERMLE.